Them a none up in the crew, all of them a mongrel dogs. Some boy does somebody in them yard. Anyway me see them and I give them middle day hard dog. Music can never fish out them heart. Not even police we run from. We not take program action of the slogan from your this rich black punch and get a potion. We one done, and we not take program from your this program punch and get a potion. Me no father owner, say them bad but they rich black brother. Can't this me nah brother, medium brother. Rifle we rise and we rock like Obama from the gun a copper done no quicker than $20 action. No fiction, this a facts that they matter. Them a popcorn, krawbal a can papa. Me no Hollywood actor shot and lift your blacker. Then before the sun, you think of that? It's like cheap no fly far from the block. Gunshot fly far from the Glock. Boy my rough like call me the pilot. Fit this rich black you shoulda never tried that. Don't a screw. If I pussy violate me then I damage. Ramming them the food like a say them a bad but them can manage hard soft. Baby purge never clip all up and phone no for it. From me little me a bad now it's a habit. Never left me gun me ever have it. Soft baby porridge. You think a blood clot? Don't tell them say this now. Tell them say I hate this and now. Never before not take this and now. Badness is better them quit and now. Oh man I live and now. Buy me guns them much bigger now. Telescope and rifle can miss and now. Head bust like this. My rough fly out on a trip. Now come back one way ticket. Make them panic. Then kill the whole fucker them quick. Not that they can save what the rich black damage.
Alright, what you going to know? You kind of have a place back some tune, you know, you see me and go on all the next vibes again. I don't know the things, though. You see me? You know what?